Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are good and safe. Hey my dear friends, it's true that after internship life is so busy. It's unexpected, especially when you're going for your internship outside. And in the end of internship, you have to go back to your college. So many formalities and so many paperworks are there to do. Too much time takes. Still I'm trying to manage my time to make videos for you. I received so many video requests. I promise I will upload all the videos soon, but today I received only few video requests. Without wasting time, let's get started. So you click the video saying that it's stipend in Apollo Medics Super Specialty Hospital for physio interns. So what's the scene for it? So everybody getting money for internship? No, it's not like that. The scene for a stipend is that when you come to Apollo Medics for your internship, your intern batch will get 6 blank cash check. 6 blank cash check. Why? Because you have to go under 6 months compulsory rotatory internship program. So every month one student will get title intern of the month, and that student will receive a check. Okay, so 5 checks are for that, and 1 check is for intern of the year. So how you have to perform well, so many videos are there. You can go through the playlist. If you want to know more how to perform very well, let me tell you a secret. You know what? When you are doing well, your own patient will tell you. They will give you chocolates and will say that your treatments are you're giving a very good treatment. I'm feeling better and something like, and they add their blessings also, saying like you will do very best after your internship. Oh, you are doing practice. Definitely you will do very well after your internship. And something like that. You know, these things will make you feel like you're flying in the sky. Yes, so this is a sign that you're doing well. So all the best, do your best. Your own patient will tell you, okay? And okay, we come to next timing for Apollo Medics. Timing is that morning 8 to 2 and 2 to 8 evening. So no, it's not up to you. They will tell you about your timing, that you have to come in morning or evening. Next is 3 months internship in Apollo Medics or 3 months somewhere else. Is it possible? It's disturbance. I will tell you that it's all about you disturbing yourself. Just select one hospital, a better place, and go there, complete your internship from there. That's all. Next is job chances after internship in Apollo Medics. So for job chances, 50% chance is that you can get job after your internship. Government hospital or private hospital, which is best for internship? So for this, it is like with my experience, I'll say in government hospital it's okay. So many private hospital, different cases are there, but there is no one to teach you, no one to guide you. And you know what, we need a guide during our internship. And in private hospital, things are very much scheduled. Your seniors are there, and you are working under a mentor. You can ask anything, you can clear your doubts. There's so many new opportunities are there. So, and especially I think that is cool that you are learning under Dr. Yogesh Madhyan sir. Yeah. Okay, next is in every Apollo hospital procedures are same for internship. No, my dear, internship procedures are not same in every Apollo. My internship was from Apollo Medics Super Specialty Hospital, Lucknow. Okay, next video request is what are you doing after BPT? Oh my dear, what you asked. I'm struggling. Really, dude, I'm struggling, and I will let you know soon wherever I will go. But first I have to complete so many paperwork, so many formalities are there in college. I have to complete all these things first. Then I will apply somewhere, and then I will inform you. Send regulations video in Apollo Medics so that we can perform well. Yes, I will upload this video soon. So okay, now I think it's sufficient for you, and I wish you luck. Bye bye. Perform well and believe in karma. Do your best. First priority, always your patient. Okay. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you never miss any informative video from this channel. Bye bye. Take care.